How you doing? I'm John Tippetts. You're watching me in my shadow on Young American Outback. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I just filled up at Blue Diamond and I'm headed out to Prim. Probably not the most exciting place in the world, but they do have a roller coaster. I've been on it, but not since I was like 14. And I would not be riding it today. Thank you. Alright, so I just rode in from Las Vegas. I'm now at Prim, Nevada, which sits right on the border of Nevada and California. This is pretty much the way all the Californians come into town. Not a whole lot here, to be honest. That is it. And as you can see, it is surrounded by nothing. I'm gonna go see if I can't grab some lunch. See if this weather can't roll through a little bit. I got rained on a little bit on the way here, and being the forward thinker that I am, my rain gear and my full face helmet is at home. That's how I do it. So I was gonna go out to Baker, California today, probably another 50 miles or so. Honestly, I'm gonna wait and see what it looks like after lunch. If it looks like I'm gonna get hit with some more weather, I'll probably skip it. If not, we'll continue on. We'll go see the world's tallest thermometer. Woohoo! Ah, it's called Buffalo Bills. That's right, I knew that. I don't see the roller coaster riding today, so even if I wanted to, which I don't, I wouldn't be riding. Alright, so I just had lunch at Wild Bill's Casino. I went and had their, the Panda Express. I don't think anybody's eaten there in a week and they haven't changed the food. I mean, that stuff was nasty. It was probably the worst I've ever had. Nobody was in the whole joint. That's probably why I should have eaten there. Because, I mean, honestly, when I asked for the Beijing beef, they had to pour sauce on it just so it looked edible. Yeah, it was quite disgusting. Quite disgusting. Anyway, so it looks like the weather, I don't know, it looks like a 50-50 shot maybe of being able to make it to Baker without getting wet. And I think I'm gonna go for it. So here we go. Better turn the bike on. Up ahead you can see the world's largest thermometer. That's pretty much the only thing of note in Baker, except for their high gas prices. That Shell station was $4.89 for premium. That's ridiculous. That's $4.99 for premium. I need to turn around and go back. Alright, so I just filled up with gas in Baker. Their prices were as high as $4.99 a gallon for premium, which is just outrageous. I mean, that's more than a dollar more than what we're paying in Las Vegas. Anyway, well, the sun's about to go down. I need to get back before it does. I don't have any reflective gear or anything like that, so I better get headed. But as far as deserts go, I guess that this is scenic. I don't know, for me, I'm sick of living in the desert. I think it's pretty ugly. Alright, so now that you've seen Baker and Prim, we're gonna head home. about 100 miles. Should be there, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. Got a couple of big passes to go over, which I guess answered a couple of the questions I had about this bike. I wasn't sure if it was going to be able to make it. Didn't have a whole lot of problems going over the pass. I mean, I wasn't flying at top speed, but my bike's not that fast anyway. You know, I maintained 70 over, you know, coming up over the passes, and that was a speed limit, so really no issue there. So yeah, I think going up the coast to Canada is doable. So we'll see. Trip's still on. Stay tuned. Yeah, my next bike should probably be an enduro of some sort. I love riding on the road, but I like being on the dirt too. It's hard to decide. My shadow isn't really up to doing the dirt. There's a bit of an unscheduled stop, but I drank a liter of water when I got to Baker.